Victory to Lord Satyanarayan, the second chapter of Satyanarayan Katha. Sut said, O sages, I will now narrate the history of the person who performed this vrat in ancient times. Listen carefully. In the beautiful city of Kashi, there once lived a very poor Brahmin. Stricken by hunger and thirst, he wandered aimlessly. One day, Lord Satyanarayan, who is compassionate towards Brahmins, took the form of an elderly Brahman and approached him. The divine Brahman asked, O learned one, why do you wander the earth in sorrow every day? The destitute Brahman replied, I am a poor Brahman. I roam the earth begging for alms. O revered one, if you know a way to relieve my suffering, please tell me. The elderly Brahman, who was none other than Lord Satyanarayan, said, Lord Satyanarayan grants all desired wishes. If you worship him, you will be freed from all sorrows. After explaining the complete ritual of the vrat, the divine Brahman disappeared. The poor Brahman pondered deeply and resolved to perform the vrat as instructed. That night, he could not sleep due to his determination. At dawn, he set out to beg for alms while keeping his vow in mind. On that very day, he received a great amount of wealth as alms. With this newfound wealth, he gathered his relatives and together they completed the Satyanarayan Vrat with devotion. After performing the Vrat, the once destitute Brahman was freed from all suffering and was blessed with immense prosperity. From that day onward, he observed this Vrat every month. Thus, whoever performs the Satyanarayan Vrat will be freed from all sins and attain salvation. Whoever observes this Vrat will be relieved of all sorrows. Sut continued, O sages, this is the sacred Satyanarayan Vrat that Lord Narayan himself narrated to sage Narad. What more can I say? The sages responded, O great sage, we wish to hear about others who performed this vrat after learning about it from that Brahman. Our hearts are filled with devotion to know more. Sut said, O sages, listen carefully to those who have performed this vrat. Once, the same Brahman, now wealthy and prosperous, prepared to perform the vrat with his family. At that moment, an elderly woodcutter arrived, placed his bundle of wood outside, and entered the Brahman's home. The thirsty and exhausted woodcutter saw the Brahman performing the vrat and respectfully bowed before him. He then asked, What are you doing? What benefits does this vrat bring? Please tell me. The Brahman replied, This is the sacred Satyanarayan Vrat, which fulfills all desires. By Lord Satyanarayan's grace, I have been blessed with wealth and prosperity. Hearing about the vrat, the woodcutter was filled with joy. After receiving the holy Charanamrit, sanctified water, and partaking of the prasad, he returned home. The woodcutter resolved in his heart, Today, whatever money I earn from selling wood, I will use it to perform the divine Satyanarayan Vrat. With this thought, he carried his bundle of wood on his head and went to a wealthy town to sell it. That day, he miraculously received 4 times the usual price for his wood. Overjoyed, the old woodcutter bought bananas, sugar, ghee, milk, curd, and wheat flour, along with other necessary items for the vrat, and returned home. He gathered his family and relatives and performed the Satyanarayan Vrat with great devotion. As a result of the vrat, the poor woodcutter became blessed with wealth, children, and all worldly comforts. Eventually, at the end of his life, he attained Vaikuntha Dham, the divine abode of Lord Vishnu. The second chapter of the Satyanarayan Vrat Katha ends here. Victory to Lord Satyanarayan.